Is your resume getting rejected by the employer? Hi guys, in this peak time of firing, one important thing on top of all is to make your resume competitive. So let's find out in today's video, are you making the same mistakes as 70% of the candidate does? Before that, my first question to you, is your resume ATS friendly? Now ATS stand for Application Tracking Systems that are used during the recruiting process to store, scan, rank the job applicant for a company. If you don't know, if you're not familiar with this, don't worry, because today's video is all about how to make your resume ATS friendly. And before starting, I want you guys, please do not skip this video. At least go to each and every point. I'm going to cover here 7 points. At least have a look on into those 7 points, because few point is going to shock you. Do let me know what point shocked you in the comment section. Now let's get started. First thing first, what are the fonts that are recommended for your resume? So I'm going to present the list on my screen. You can have a look, you can take a screenshot of it. And yeah, this is the first step, is to select the right font for your resume. Now comes point number 2, that is size of the font. Now, generally the size of the font is 10 to 12 font size, but it usually depends on the font selection, because some fonts like Calibri takes less space than Times New Roman, but make sure your content is getting fit into the 2 pages resume. It should not exceed more than 2 pages. So this is about font size and font selection. Now here comes the point number 3. Stick to simplicity. Less is more. Don't get too fancy with your resume. Resume is not the best place to showcase your creativity. If you have some creativity, hold on. Because your resume is not something your recruiter is going to read, because your resume will be scanned by the ATS system. Most applicant tracking system get confused by the resume containing icons, images, charts, the fancy design, because the tracking system does not know what it is. Before moving into this video, I have an announcement for you.
Unacademy लेके आ गया एक नया super duper amazing app, Next Level. Next Level is an ultimate platform जहाँ you can showcase your skills, your expertise, and without degree you can unlock the jobs. So guess what? How you can build your profile? You can build it by competing and winning coding competitions on the app with others. The idea is very simple. Next Level will help you to create a professional profile of your career. The more you win, the better your rating. And not only that, top 3 rank holders across front-end, back-end engineers are going to get MacBook Air, iPad or Kindle Paperwhite, like these kind of stuff. And top 25 rank holder across each category will receive certificate of appreciation. So what are you waiting for? Go and invite your friend, level up, and yeah, unlock the job. To install the app, you will be in the waiting list. So to level up in the waiting list, you need to invite your friend, you need to refer to your friends. So to move up, you need to refer to your friends, and yeah, you can play with them. I'm already on the app. You can use my coupon code AMI4182. You can use my coupon code, and yeah, come and let's compete with each other. Now on top of everything, this app is in Play Store and App Store. App Android user ho, yeah, iOS user ho, you can play. Anyone can play. So go ahead, all the links are there in the description. Go and download and check out this app. Not only that, the playing time has also increased from 10 AM to 10 PM. And guess what? Next Level has partnered with multiple companies. Now let's jump into this video.
Point number 4, typo mistake. Guys, whenever we are talking to a recruiter directly in a chat, or we can make typo mistake. But while your resume is getting scanned by a system, the system does not know even if you are doing a single spelling mistake. Instead of E, you are writing I. The system will simply reject that word. Point number 5, keywords in your resume. Keywords are keys. As you submit your resume to ATS, It stores your application as an entry in database. Then recruiter can go to the ATS and search for the applicant whose resume contain keywords related to the job opening. Point number 6, it is definitely going to shock you because I was also shocked by this point. Be aware of PDF file. Are you still saving your resume into PDF format on any of the job portal? Then stop doing that. Suppose if you're attaching it in direct person, directly to a mail or XYZ platform to the recruiter, then you can have it in the PDF format. But suppose you are uploading your resume like Naukri or some other platform which is used for the job search, then make sure you are converting your resume into Word format, because most of the ATS, applicant tracking systems, does not convert PDF or any other format. So what it will do, it will simply reject your resume. Point number 7, is your resume inspiring? Think about the thing that you want to talk about during an interview. Add those story in your resume. What I'm saying, you can add your accomplishment in your resume, and the accomplishment should be inspiring. Think about the achievement which highlights your value as an employee. You can also link it to the volunteer activity or something you have done out of box. It showcased how different you are and how inspiring you could be in the workplace. So never forget that, these 7 pointers, and do let me know what point shocked you, which you were not aware of. So that is how you can make your resume inspiring but ATS friendly. And with this combination, it's going to be a competitive resume. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.